So you should know before and after. In previous class, you have already learned before and after, right? But this year also I am going to teach you before and after. Okay, so you are ready for that? Shall we start our today's concept? Okay, so let's start. Now student, look at here. I have kept some objects on the bench. Okay, first is tiffin box, second is pyramid, and third is crayons box. Okay, now student, tell me, before the pyramid, which object I have placed? Tell me, before this pyramid, which object I have placed? Crayons box, right? Before the pyramid, I have placed crayons box, and after the pyramid, I have placed tiffin box, right? This is pyramid. So before the pyramid, I have placed crayons box, and after the pyramid, I have placed tiffin box. Okay. Now I am going to change the position. Now tell me, after the tiffin box, which object I have placed? After the tiffin box, which object I have placed? Crayons box or pyramid? Yes, after the tiffin box, I have placed pyramid, right? And before the tiffin box, I have placed crayons box. Okay. If I am going to change the position of these objects, now tell me, before the crayons box, which object I have placed? Before the crayons box, which object I have placed? Yes, tiffin box, right? And after the crayons box, which object I have placed? After the crayons box, which object I have placed? Yes, pyramid, right? Now next. Look at here. I have three objects here. One is water bottle, one is glass, and one is duster. Okay. Now tell me, which object I have placed before the glass? Which object I have placed before the glass? Yes, duster. And which object I have placed after the glass? Which object I have placed after the glass? Yes, water bottle, right? Now, I am going to change the position. Now tell me, which object I have placed before the duster? Which object I have placed before the duster? Yes, this glass. And which object I have placed after the duster? Yes, this is, I have placed water bottle after the duster. Okay. Okay. Now student, look at this board. B-E-F-O-R-E, D for A-N-D, and A-F-T-E-R, after. Before and after. Okay. Now as you can see, I have drawn some objects here, right? Look at first three objects. One is carrot, one is water bottle, and one is cap, right? Okay. Now student, tell me which object I have drawn before the bottle. Which object I have drawn before the bottle? Tell me, look at here and tell me which object I have drawn before the water bottle? Carrot, right? Before the water bottle I have drawn carrot. And tell me, after the water bottle, which object I have drawn here? After the water bottle, which object I have drawn? So carrot is the before object and cap is the after object, right? Before the water I have drawn carrot and after the water I have drawn cap. Okay? Now next pictures. First here I have drawn crow, then butterfly and one boy. Okay? Now tell me, after the butterfly, which object I have drawn here? After the butterfly, which object I have drawn here? One boy, right? And before the butterfly, which object I have drawn here? Before the butterfly, which object I have drawn? Crow, right? Yes. So here, before the butterfly I have drawn crow and after the butterfly I have drawn one boy. Okay? Now next, three pictures. I have drawn one apple, then ball and one baby. Okay? Now tell me, before the ball, which object I have drawn? Tell me, before the ball, which object I have drawn? Yes, apple, right? Before the ball I have drawn apple. And after the ball I have drawn babe, right? Before the ball I have drawn one apple and after the ball I have drawn one babe, right? Yes, like this you have to learn before and after concept, okay? Now I am going to show you your math textbook. Now student, look at here. This is your math textbook, right? Before and after. Read the sentences aloud to understand the position of the object. As you can see, some sentences are here. So you have to read these sentences aloud and understand the position of the objects. Okay? As you can see, some objects are here. Umbrella, bottle and hat. Okay? The umbrella is before the bottle. What is the position of umbrella? What is the position of umbrella? Umbrella is before the bottle. This is umbrella, this is bottle. Right? So umbrella is before the bottle. The hat is after the bottle. This is bottle. Right? And what is the position of hat? Hat is after the bottle. Okay? Before and after. Now next, pigeon is there, parrot is there and one butterfly is there. Okay? The pigeon is before the parrot. What is the position of pigeon? Pigeon is before the parrot. What? Pigeon is before the parrot. And the butterfly is after the parrot. And what is this position of butterfly? Butterfly is after the parrot. Okay? Next one. Point to the boy before the girl and point to the boy after the girl. Okay? What? Point to the boy before the girl and point to the boy after the girl. Now look at this boy. After this boy, one girl is there. After this boy, one girl is there. Right? And look at this boy. Before this boy, one girl is there. Right? Yes. Like this you have to understand the before and after concept. Okay?